Hello, doggy. Come, let us go outside, doggy. First, I need chips. Chips.
Come, dog. Come on. I didn't be that way. I'm outside. It's hot. I'm cold. No! I'm eating outside. And it's hot. I'm eating chips. I'm in a black shirt and I'm gonna be hot. I'm gonna stand on top of this. Whoa. Now I'm gonna get down. Oh, I thought it was a butterfly. It was a leaf. Hey, I'm gonna video myself running. Hold on. Okay. Okay, that's enough. That's enough of myself. I want a Coke. Pretty flowers. Oh, you want to see my pretty star? See, that's my pretty star. I drew that on July 31st, 2006 with pretty chalk. Oh no! It's dead! I'm gonna poke it. Ah, it's dead! Coke. It's gonna make me high. Oh, this is Melanie! My watermelon. Hold on, let me. I can't video her face. Get out here, Melanie. There's her lips and her eyes and stuff. That's Melanie. And now I'm gonna go inside. My granny is probably wondering where I am. Although she's delusional, and I doubt it. She probably thinks I'm just talking to myself. Which I halfway am. Yeah, I'm walking. Airplane! Look how pretty. Look, it says wipe your paws. I don't have paws, I have feet. And tentacles! Hey, baby. Now I got Coca chips. Coca chips. Coca chips. Bye-bye.